Hi Lou in the UK. Video's a bit blurry. Just a quick one. I'm still trying to work out this wiring, so I've moved this out of the way now, this fan air thingy. So and the reason I moved it is to get to this, which is the flasher, and I want to see where each wire goes. So I've got, these are the relays. This is a mess. It's how it was when I bought it. I'm going to separate all these out. But I wanted to just see the wires. So the top wire goes to the body. Can you see that? It's a bit blurry. Let's try and go side on. Top wire goes to the body. Then this wire nearest to me is red, and it's thick one. It's going to there. So that shows you it's powered. So it's the first one. Yep. So then we've got the next to it is the blue, which is going to the relay, which I can't see the numbers. There's no numbers on it. There must be numbers on it. That's how they choose which one it goes on. There probably is. Let's have a look. It's all out of blur, isn't it? You can't see. Okay, well, I'm sure that's a number there. Yes. Let's have a look. Come on. I need to get a proper light on that to see if that's a number. I'm pretty sure there is a number there. Okay, but I'm just making sure the wires are connected for the moment. So then you've got the bottom one is white, and that goes to the relay as well. The one in the middle, which looks, I can't really see. It's a black. So the black one is going here. On there. So the black one is there. So it's the end one. Let's give it a bit of a scrape. Okay. Then at the back, green. The back. There's a green and black, which is right at the back of it. I know this video is pretty useless. It goes into a joiner box. I'm just trying to see what colour the wire is that it joins to, because I can see it's green and black here, but that goes into the loom. It does look, is it a different colour or is it just bloody dirty? Yeah, I think that is green and black, so it was just dirty, I think, or it could be black. Green and black. And is there another one? Oh, yes, black and white. And black and white goes to a joiner box, which then one goes down here into the loom, and then the other one goes into the other part of the loom that goes out under the dash. Well, they're all connected. I know this video is pretty useless. So with the headlights, I'm just trying to see where the headlight switch is on. The headlight switch is at the top, just below. Oh, it's behind there. Oh, it's behind this stupid fan thing, isn't it? That's annoying. If I can feel it in my hand. You can probably see it, can't you? Have a look. There. I need to follow all those as well. I hate wiring. Wiring is, that does look like it's had a good bodge up on it. You can see all the wires, there's a couple of red, a white. You can see all the wires. What a joke. Oh well. I need more time, I'm in a rush.